Hello friends, my name is Utsav Ghosh and I am also an amateur radio, or you can say ham radio operator. My amateur radio call sign is Victor Uniform 3 Zulu India Golf, or as well as you can say VU3ZIG, and hopefully this is my first video here in this channel. And here I will be presenting some easy DIY do it yourself hacks which we may do in our daily life to manage our resources. So today here I am going to tell you that how to fix a partially defective laptop hard disk drive or solid state drive by a very easy and simple method. All you need to do for this is a SATA to USB converter cable, and you can get it from Amazon or so, as I bought my Box India SATA to USB converter from Amazon.in. You can also apply this method to your desktop hard disk drive or solid state drive, but then you need an external power source to run the desktop hard disk or solid state drive, as it runs in 12 volt from the SATA cable of SMPS. Then a laptop hard disk drive or solid state drive, as they run only 5 volt of USB. So let's begin the process. And in this process, the additional things you need are a smartphone and a OTG cable compatible with that. Connect the defective hard disk drive or solid state drive to the SATA port, and then connect the USB portion of that cable to the OTG cable, and then connect the OTG cable to the smartphone. After that, format the hard disk drive using storage settings from your smartphone. After that, you will ready to use the partially defective hard disk drive as an external hard disk drive, which cannot ever be used as an internal hard disk drive.